Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. AG Dillon is closing 6 pre-IPO stock funds on March 7, 2025. Anduril, OpenAI, XAI, Groq, Figure AI, and a space economy company. Use these single stock funds to build bespoke pre-IPO stock portfolios. You select the pre-IPO stock company exposures and weight allocations to each pre-IPO stock to express your unique investment thesis. Available for purchase at Charles Schwab, Fidelity, and directly at AG Dillon Funds. $2,500 minimum investment. Financial advisors only. Email aaron.dillon@agdillon.com to invest. Again, that's aaron.dillon@agdillon.com to invest. Now, the February 7, 2025 pre-IPO stock market update. Deel, a human resources technology company, reported an annual revenue run rate of $800 million, marking a 70% year-over-year increase in December. The company recently boosted its valuation to $12.6 billion following a $300 million secondary share sale, with General Catalyst and Mutable Investment Company joining on as investors. That's a 15.8x revenue multiple. Deel, founded in 2019, has grown to 5,000 employees worldwide, and has signaled an IPO may be coming in 2025 or 2026. The company, which simplifies global hiring and payroll management, saw significant traction during the COVID-19 remote work boom. Deel has $11.7 billion secondary market valuation. That's down 3.3% versus its May 2022 round. I expect this new secondary transaction at $12.6 billion will pull the company's broader secondary market valuation up in the weeks ahead. Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange and custodian founded by the Winklevoss twins, is considering an IPO this year, with talks underway with potential advisors. The company operates in 6 global locations, including New York, Seattle, Singapore, UK, Ireland, and India. The company has over 500 employees. Gemini recently settled a $5 million lawsuit with the CFTC over misleading statements related to Bitcoin futures and agreed to return at least $1.1 billion to customers following the Genesis Global Capital bankruptcy. The potential listing aligns with the broader crypto IPO trend. Bullish Global, another crypto exchange backed by Peter Thiel, is also exploring an IPO. Neuralink, a brain computer interface company, has implanted computer chips in 3 participants' brains, enabling them to control digital devices with their thoughts, a capability termed as telepathy. All this in just the last year and a half. The PRIME study, testing the solution's safety and efficacy, has accumulated over 670 implant days and 4,900 hours of use, with independent usage averaging 6.5 hours per day. The first recipient in January 2024 regained digital independence, completing a 72-hour live stream and resuming academic studies. The second participant, a former automotive designer and now creates 3D models and is the first participant in the Convoy study, exploring robotic assistive device control. The third participant, a late-stage ALS patient, overcame reliance on eye tracking technology, allowing him to communicate outdoors for the first time in 5 years. Neuralink is actively recruiting spinal cord injury and ALS patients in the US and Canada for ongoing trials, with potential future expansion into the UK. Neuralink has a $8.7 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 154% versus its November 2023 round. OpenAI, the AI large language model company, is finalizing a $40 billion primary investment at a $260 billion pre-money valuation, pushing its post-money valuation to $300 billion. SoftBank will lead the round, and the investment will allow it to surpass Microsoft's ownership in OpenAI. The funding, paid over 12 to 24 months, allows SoftBank to syndicate up to $10 billion of the deal. This follows OpenAI's $157 billion valuation in October 2023. The funds will support Stargate, a $1 billion US AI infrastructure project backed by SoftBank, OpenAI, and Oracle. SoftBank also committed to spending $3 billion annually on OpenAI's technology for itself and subsidiaries like ARM. OpenAI, which launched ChatGPT in late 2023, now competes with XAI, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Anthropic in a $1 trillion generative AI market. The company recently launched ChatGPT Gov for US government agencies, emphasizing security and compliance. OpenAI has a $153 billion secondary market valuation. That's down 2.5% from its December 2024 round. Once this new round is closed, I expect secondary market to snap to this new $300 billion valuation. Former OpenAI CTO Mira Murati has recruited OpenAI co-founder John Schluman to her new AI startup, Thinking Machines Lab, just 5 months after he left OpenAI for rival Anthropic. Schluman, credited as a leading architect of ChatGPT, originally left OpenAI to focus on AI alignment, but has now departed Anthropic under unclear circumstances. Murati's startup also has recruited OpenAI researchers Barrett Zoff, Luke Metz, and Christian Gibson from the supercomputing team. She has been in talks to raise over $100 million since October. Murati remains tight-lipped about Thinking Machines Lab's goals, but sources indicate it's focused on developing AI for complex tasks. Really interesting to see what Murati is going to do, is going to put together here. If anything, post kind of DeepSeek, it's clear that there's still some model innovation that is possible. So a lot of opportunity for Thinking Machines Lab to offer. Stripe, the online payments company, has completed its largest acquisition to date, purchasing Bridge for $1.1 billion, tripling the startup's valuation from August. The deal strengthens Stripe's position in stablecoin infrastructure, a sector where it previously struggled after abandoning Bitcoin payments in 2018 due to high fees. Bridge, founded in 2022, has a 60-person team and enables stablecoin payments without direct exposure to digital tokens, counting Coinbase and SpaceX as clients. Stablecoins currently account for 1% of foreign exchange transactions, but Standard Chartered predicts that growth could hit 10%. Stripe, which processes millions of cross-border transactions daily, sees stablecoin as a way to cut costs and increase efficiency, with cross-border payments growing 50% annually. The acquisition follows Stripe's April announcement that stablecoin transactions surpassed all previous Bitcoin volume within a week. Stripe has also partnered with Remote.com to process stablecoin payouts in 70-plus countries. The company plans to integrate Bridge's infrastructure for global payments, positioning stablecoins as a key component of its future expansion. Stripe has a $89.8 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 28% versus its July 2024 round. Figure AI, humanoid robotics company, has exited its partnership with OpenAI, opting to develop proprietary AI due to a quote-unquote major breakthrough. The company raised $675 million last year and $1.5 billion, total to date. Figure had previously planned to use OpenAI's models for its Figure O2 humanoid, but CEO Brad Adcock cited integration challenges as the reason for the split, emphasizing the need for vertical AI hardware integration. OpenAI, which is also backing Norwegian robotics firm 1X, filed a trademark for humanoid robots last week, signaling potential competition. Meanwhile, BMW has deployed Figure robots in its South Carolina factory, prioritizing industrial over residential application. With rapid funding and expansion into a larger Bay Area office, Figure aims to unveil a major AI advancement in humanoids within 30 days, marking a critical shift in the robotics industry. Figure has a $4.2 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 62% versus its February 2024 round. Groq, an AI chip and cloud computing company, has rapidly scaled its developer base to 652,000 by offering a free tier access to its cloud-based inference technology. The company aims to ship 108,000 of its LPUs, or language processing units, by Q1 2025 and 2 million by year-end 2025, focusing on cloud deployment. LPUs are 10x faster than Nvidia chips and use 10x less electricity for inference. CEO Jonathan Ross has set an ambitious goal of capturing 50% of the global AI inference market, expanding through joint ventures in Saudi Arabia, Canada, and Latin America. Groq's unique strategy eliminates the need for Nvidia's CUDA libraries, offering 1,800 pre-built AI models and reducing barriers to entry for AI developers. Groq is positioning itself as a major Nvidia challenger by optimizing AI inference speeds and cost efficiency. Groq has a $3.1 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 12% versus its August 2024 round. Okay, that's it this week. Thanks, and see you guys next week.